Hey guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. I just wanted to wish you guys a Happy New Year. I haven't spoken to you guys in such a long time. I really don't remember the last time I actually physically filmed a makeup tutorial. I have a new setup going on, so I'm sorry if the audio is crappy because my mic didn't come in yet, but my lights did, and I got a brand new ring light, and I just wanted to make sure everything was looking good. And so hopefully the audio in the intro isn't as crappy as I'm thinking it's going to be. So I miss you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I am incorporating vlogs this year, and it's going to be so much fun. So I will link down below my very first vlog that I did of 2018. I'm so excited to play with makeup. This look was actually inspired by a makeup artist, and she's in a different country. I don't really know where she is in the world. I want to say like Brazil or something like that, but she's literally so amazing, and she does all of these looks, but she does all these looks with like a really dark smoky outer corner and like glitter all over the lid, and it's just like, it's sickening. So I wanted to do something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to know how to get this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are going to start off with brows as per usual. I'm so happy to be filming. I'm starting off with the Precisely My Brow Pencil and Foolproof Powder from Benefit Cosmetics. This is actually the Bomb Ass Brows Kit with Desi Perkins, and I'm using the shade Medium Neutral, and I'm just doing hair-like strokes to fill in the brow. So I personally start off with the pencil first. I know a lot of people start off with the powder, but I'm starting off with the pencil just to get my initial shape started, and then I go in with the darker powder first just to kind of start filling in the outer end of my tail of my brow. Just mixing the two shades together in the Foolproof powder and just using that to fill in the rest of my brow. I'm going to go ahead and start priming my lid and cutting my brow, cleaning it up with my P. Louise shadow base. And then I'm also going to grab my concealer. This is the Jouer Essential Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Chiffon. And I'm just throwing that in the inner corner and the beginning of underneath my brow, just so when I put my foundation on, it's not like a stark white or just a really pale color underneath where my foundation would be. You know what I'm saying? Jumping into the eyes, I'm using the Iluvsarahii and Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, and I'm grabbing the shades Sandalwood and Wild Soul, and I'm throwing this pretty much all up in my crease. For a touch of warmth, I'm going in with Euphoric from the same palette, and I'm throwing this a little bit lower into the crease, but more on the outer corner area, and I'm going to use this color to really blow it out once I start adding more colors. So now I'm going in with this black shadow from a different Colourpop palette, and I'm just throwing this into the outer corner. So I needed more of like a neutral brown tone, so I'm going in with this Baked Browns palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm grabbing these two shades, and I'm pretty much packing this on top of the black. I will go in and add more black once I get the brown to the color and the definition that I want it to be, but first off, I'm just going in with these brown colors, and now I'm going back in with the black and just kind of really deepening up the outer corner. Now I'm grabbing this Mercier Caviar eye color stick. This is in the shade Smoke, and I'm using this kind of as my eyeliner. You can totally go ahead and use a gel liner if you want, but this one just has a little bit more stretch to it. I feel it's easier, it's creamier to blend, and I just feel like it's a little bit easier just to get it as blended as I want it to be. So I'm going in, drawing a line, kind of like half a winged liner, and then I'm going back in with the black and packing it more on the outer corner, and then I'm going back in with those browns until I get it as intense as I want it to be. To make my lid color stand out, I'm going back in with the P. Louise shadow base. This is actually in the shade Rumor 0.5, and I'm just packing this on that inner half. I'm not really doing a defined cut crease. I just wanted a really sticky base to help my lid shade really pop. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going in with the shade Canela from the Iluvsarahii palette, and I'm packing this all over. Canela is like a matte shade with like really intense flecks of glitter in it, which I like, but I wanted a little bit more, so I'm just mixing these two Inglot Body Sparkles shades and throwing that right over top. Then I'm just going to fix the inner corner liner, add a little bit more, throw on some mascara, pop on some falsies, and we're going to go straight to the face. For complexion, I'm starting off with priming, and I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX primer and my Touch in Sol No Pore Blend primer. I'm sorry for being half in and out of these clips. For foundation, I'm using the Laura Geller Filter First foundation mixed with my Maybelline Super Stay, just because the Maybelline Super Stay is a little bit too matte and I have dry skin, so I needed something to zhuzh it up. just blending that in with a damp beauty blender, and then I'm going in with the concealer. Again, the same one that we used on the eyes. This is Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Chiffon, and I'm throwing this underneath the eyes and the center of my face to balance everything out. I really do like this concealer, and I'm loving it. I'm digging it so far, so I will let you guys know more in a future favorites video. I'm quickly just throwing some setting powder underneath the actual eye, and then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder, I believe it's called. To bronze, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You guys know this is my favorite bronzer from the drugstore. And then for blush, I'm going in with MIlani's Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. And don't forget to contour your nose if that's what you're into. For highlight, I'm using DesixKaty and Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter, but it's just a little bit too dark, so I'm grabbing this Milani Celestial Skin Powder to just layer right over top. Back to the eyes, I'm just going in with a brown gel liner in my waterline, smudging that underneath my lower lash line, and then going in with pretty much all of the dark shades that we used on the upper lid and the outer crease on the lower lash line to really intensify the lower lash line and smoke it out. And I just like making sure that the outer corner on my lid is connected to the outer corner on my lower lash line. Pop on some mascara, and then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going in with Lucido from the Iluvsarahii palette. Go ahead and set your face with your favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe setting spray, my current favorite at the moment. For lips in this clip, I'm using the Colourpop and Iluvsarahii Sueño de Coco lip, but I actually end up changing it. This is a Morphe gloss in the shade Flower Crown that I'm laying right on top. But as you can see here, that's not the same lip color. In this clip right here, I used Iluvsarahii and Colourpop 951 Ultra Satin Lip. And that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe in the next video I'll remember to cover my lash band a little bit better. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!